guys? Hey, thanks for tuning in, watching this little update. But hey, a lot has happened since my last video. I've moved to Texas from Maryland. Car is still currently in Maryland and will be there for a little bit longer. What I have here, what you're seeing is, new garage, but it's not as big as it used to be. Not used to be, but what am I saying? As the one in Maryland. You have a little bit less room, but I've been given the go ahead to take the whole garage. All right, just for you guys. So what I'm doing today is trying to empty out that shelf. It's not really anything big on it. I'm gonna try and get up in the attic. I'm gonna go up there, see what it looks like, and most of these boxes going up there. Try and get the tools put away. These cabinets you see here. I'm gonna get the backs put on them, sand them down, hit them up with some black spray paint, and putting two on the walls over here for my car stuff. One on the wall over there with all the car wash, stuff like that. So pretty much what I'm doing today. But I'm here to tell you guys. Well, guys, that's that's left of the shelf. You can see. I don't know why I got 5 coolers, but hey, each his own, right? But my little fishing bag and ratchet straps. This I think got Christmas items in it. I'm gonna take it in the house. Heater, take that in the house. That's empty. It's my wife's Pop's guitar. What else we got? These, I think this one got books in it. I'm gonna go through that real quick. Get in the office. These are empty. That's the built KA motor right here. Over here, shelves walking down. So my homegirl gets back from a little trip and take that to her house. That shelf is going to her house also. Help her out. Got a lot of stuff up there. It's all 240 stuff. I'm gonna find somewhere in here to stack these up at. But this is the AC unit she gave me for the garage. So she helped me out. I'll help her out. All right. I don't can't hold the camera and check that out at the same time. But let's go up and see what's up here. See how much room I got. Ooh. Oh man. Oh yeah, you guys are seeing this. There's a lot of room up here. So yeah, all those plastic totes. I'm gonna get somebody over here. Help me out, bring them up top. There you have it. I went up in the attic, see what I'm working with, and got some room up there. But by the end of this video, everything will be cleared up pretty much, stashed away. Just gotta work on that table, that workbench I got over there. That's pretty easy, but I gotta get these cabinets done first, get them up. The gray bin over here has all my paint supplies in it. Tack cloths, rags, primer, all that fancy stuff. So I gotta get those cabinets done, get them on the wall, get that stuff out of those bins, put up that box below it. Has nothing but sander and get to the cabinets when I got picked up the wood from Home Depot and putting the backs on now. Yeah. When I'm done putting this together, I'll bring you guys back, show you, and probably won't get to sanding them until tomorrow, prime and paint them. So, got about 5-6 hours ahead of me, get this done, but I'm not gonna do it all tonight. So, just show you guys what I'm doing. Drilling plywood into the cabinet. Got some self-tapping 3/4 inch screws. The wood is 3/4, but I'm countersinking them. so it goes all the way to the cabinet. Get a good strong hold. And that's pretty much it for the sides. I'm gonna put one on each side, and then on the sides of the cabinets, because they can come apart. It actually, 2 side pieces, top and bottom, and the door. So it's actually 5 pieces together. Hey, just turn around the workbench so I can, let me grab it. Screw the back to it so I can get my pegboard up there, start hanging stuff. Hey, slowly but surely, I'm getting it together. All right, but these houses here in El Paso, what I'm seeing is the majority of them has a lip. I'll show you. There's a lip right here, like a step up. All right, it's about 4 inches, 3.5, maybe 4. All right, and what you saw me doing just now was taking the table on the wheels and twisting and turning to get it turned around without bringing it down off the lip. Chain, plug, pull socket into place. All right, that was easy. All right, so since I won't be using the chains to hang these, I'm screwing them directly to the ceiling. I gotta take this cover off, these 2 screws on each end. Take this off and screw the ballast portion to the ceiling. First I gotta make sure this wire can reach to where I'm gonna plug them in at. So let me jump up on the ladder and see what I got to work with. Well, took me 20 minutes to get one up. I don't know what kind of construction they did, but these damn trusses ain't 16 off center. Should have had me build a damn house. Anyway, here we go. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Still got one more to put in. Then I'll call it a night. But get you guys out there like, yeah. Oh yeah, I got my clock up too. See what the workbench looking like back there. Anyway, guys, hey, I'm gonna cut it here. I think I'm approaching like 12 minutes. Trying to keep it as short as possible since there's no car content, but just me getting the garage together. But hey, thank you for those who subscribed from the beginning, who subscribed recently, and hey, Target Designs, we're going bigger this year for the end of the year. So look out, January 1st, 2019, big things coming out. All right, hey, again, thank you all for subscribing. Those who comment, give a thumbs up. Appreciate it so much. Appreciate it. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers.